Lenovo just dropped a wild concept at MWC 2025 in Barcelona. Meet the Lenovo Codename Flip laptop. This ThinkBook Flip AI PC concept introduces an outward-folding OLED display, enabling versatile AI-powered workflows, split-screen multitasking, and intelligent workspace adaptation. The concept machine packs an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 32GB of RAM, and a PCI extended SSD storage for lightning-fast performance.
Immediately, the first thing you're going to notice about this is that there's a screen on the top of the laptop, right? But it's not just a screen on top. You actually can go from 13 inches all the way up to 18.1 with this foldable OLED display. Our team is constantly looking at, what is the latest technology and how can we integrate it to be a really incredible experience, right? You know what the laptop looks like today, but we want to make sure that we're leading what it is in the future.
Currently, Lenovo has no plans to bring the Flip to full production, but even so, it's nice seeing what a company can come up with when it's not scared to show off unfinished devices.